welcome back to another YouTube video. As you can see, I'm going to be doing a backtesting session for you guys. These seem to do pretty well, and they're relatively easy for me to make. So let's get it running. Let's get it rolling. Let's see what we can cook up today. See if we can get a high win rate. All right. If you want to backtest with me, this is February 3rd, 2025, Monday. All right, going into this day, all I'm seeing is nothing. This is an untapped gap, but all right, my computer's bugging. Yeah, honestly, like I don't have any higher targets. Probably gonna be like, okay, 4 hour gap just got filled or failed. Order denied. Wow. Whoa. This doesn't really look like a trading day for me. Yeah, let's go. Next day. Same targets here. Main target here is going to be this, and then we got this. All right. Let's see which area we want to head towards. Okay. So yeah, it looks a bit bullish now. Too aggressive. All right, draw taken. Damn it, we probably just missed an entry, didn't we? No, we didn't. All right, yeah, okay. No trade day. Nothing really to take, although it was a trendy day. Unfortunately, we did not catch an entry, which is totally fine. You have to be able to, sit through days that may be trendy and feel FOMO, but not act on it, I'm kind of stuck here. We gotta move. If I want to trade this, we gotta move. Okay, that was nothing, I guess. I'm not gonna trade this. I'm calling it. All right, let's just get one good day, bro. Come on. All right, target here, and then target up here. Cool. Could be bullish. Let's just see how we react here. Okay. If we're gonna go down, what can we target? Let's see. I already prefer it, bro. Okay, if we want to go down, we have this untapped 4 hour. So if we're bearish, that'll be the draw. Okay, let's just see. I need to see something clear, bro. I just don't. Okay. All right, yeah, that's obvious. Yeah. Okay, that looks good. So this is the target right here. It's just a 4 hour high, probably. Yeah. So that looks pretty decent to me. 5 minute got filled there. I know this candle didn't really close the best, but this is still pretty much all the confirmation that I really need right now with how bullish we are. Okay, that's break even. Oh my god. We're serious, bro. Are you freaking serious, yo? Break even there. Alright, of course. Yeah, now we're at beautiful. Rip, and we have no confirmation. Like, what are we gonna do? Alright, we hit the first draw. I heavily doubt that, yeah, we're not gonna go any higher. If anything, we're gonna go lower. Oh my god, my wire's cut. Yeah, they cooked. Unfortunate break even, but that was a good trade. I think we might have data highs and lows today. This looks like it does. Yep. What did I say? Wow, this could be good. Let's see. Data high or data low play, maybe? Bro, I just completely missed that. That's definitely could have taken this long. It's off of open, but when we have data highs and we have that candle, it's kind of obvious. That's so annoying. Dude. We're missing out on these trendy days. Bro, if we can get him with out of those, that'd be... What the... Are we serious, bro? Oh my tank. Freaking tanker. Oh my gosh. Can we load, please? Jeez, oh my god. Please just give me... Oh, and I missed another trade, bro. Are we serious? So annoying. There was a short you could have taken. It looks like it would have gotten break even. Okay, at least I didn't miss that. Alright, let's see. What? What the fuck? Alright, I'm not even gonna mess with this, bro. Like, so much volatility for nothing. No entries. That this day is cooked. I mean, right now we're moving, but we're kind of moving slow. Not interested. Come on, bro. Just give me one. All right, please. Oh. We're really not going to get that entry because this is risky. This is really risky because this isn't... Can't do it. Stop loss isn't safe, but yeah. Probably will play out, but... Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you, NQ. Wow. Wow. Wow, bro. Wow. Just give me a freaking trade, bro. My viewers need a dopamine, not me. Yeah. Oh, it's cooked. Cooked. Wow. How isn't that fascinating? We hit the dumper. We hit a freaking good target lower. I heavily doubt we go to data highs. Although if we do, I wouldn't complain. Bro, keep going up. Hold on. This is actually a decent trade. I'm not going to go for data highs because that's way too far. I'm trying to go for a 1-to-1. But the reason I like this is because we react out of the 15 and don't really think we're going to head lower, especially after we failed to after this close. So logically, it makes sense to just... Why is this a limit, bro? Give me a market order, twin. Yeah, break even. Should I hold a runner? And like partial, low key. Yeah, I'm gonna trail stop loss. So we just secured. Okay, yeah, secured like 1 hour. Let's see. Yeah, I would have been break even. But my original TP was here, so I pretty much just that was a bang. That was a banger. But let's just see. I really want to see data highs. I know we can get them today. Just give me an entry, bro. I know we want data highs. Come on. I'm sorry, guys. I'm losing my mind because I know data highs need to get hit today. It's just like automatic. You know what? I don't want to force anything in these conditions, but it'll hit. But okay, all right. Now it should. All right. This is a good trade. I'm so attached to data highs that I'm losing my mind. I know we have to go at this point because we're too close and the day is coming to an end. We have to get there. It's just a matter of like when and how. And I'm low key forcing trades, but like I wouldn't be on the markets at 3 p.m. guys. Believe it or not, I would not be taking that real time. But oh is that? All right. This is the time. Oh my god, it's about to be Asia session, bro. But okay, it shall hit. This is kind of a risky trade, very risky trade. But this wick right here into this gap and then wicked out bullish confirmation is pretty good for me. All right, break even there. Please just sit that highs. Bang! Finally. All right. Finally caught that highs. Forced this trade, and then this one's also kind of a force, but it's data highs, so I'm always playing that aggressively. Okay. Today is looking kind of bullish off red, unless we have data lows. We do not have data lows. We have data highs. All right. The opening candle is going to take data highs. All right. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to long this, play a big stop, big TP. So if I lose this, it's because my draw on liquidity is wrong, which is fine. And I'm pretty sure it's right, but I'm going to close 75% trail stops because this is going to go back down. Bang. Okay. WA trade. Very good trade. Let's see if we can maybe catch one more long here. Okay. If this was a data low, I would say short, but it's not. Unfortunately, I would short if it was. I'll tell you that. But you could like low key because we're tapping into this 15-minute gap. Yeah, you could probably long this at some point. Not yet. Hold on. Because I think logically it does make sense to go higher here. Yeah, that's a pretty good trade right here. You gotta listen though. The reason I like this so much, or the reason I'm willing to take it, is because I know for a fact that we have no reason to go lower. Because this is not a data low. We hit the 15, so we tapped into that 15-minute gap now. This is where I would expect the price to bounce because we have this draw, which is super clean, right? So that's kind of the logic there. I think this is worth taking for sure. But it definitely looks different than my other trades. But it's still a logical trade, which is what I trade logically. Look at that. And we TP'd early. So it saved us. Okay. This is another long. You could definitely take it, but I already took 2 trades. Yeah, obviously it plays out. Because this is like another A+ trade. I'm just not trying to lose after taking 2 W's already. We are cooking. All right, next day. Looks like we're nearing all-time highs. Not there yet, but all right. We only have 1 target unless we have an untapped gap below. Which I doubt we do. All right. Here we go. I would target this draw on liquidity. I guess I could. Yeah. The only reason I wouldn't is because it's the draw that's not like super A+, so there's necessarily a need to go there. I know price is going up at this point. It's just about why is this a limit? If my other trades that I took were limits, I'm going to be pissed. I don't think they were. All right, break even. Can you get it? I'm not trying to get edged today. Just give me my money. I think I've seen this shit before, bro. It's gonna dump. Yep. Look at that fucking precision, bro. I don't know why. Maybe, like, honestly, in the back of my head, I, like, remember this from last year. I don't, like, I faintly remember it. But, yeah, I would have, it should hit either way. I guess not. That was crazy precision. All right. Let's get one more. I already have a pretty good win rate on this, so let's see. Untapped 4-hour gap. Let's see if we can get a short here. I need a deep retrace and then an aggressive flip, which I don't see anything standing out to me. Pretty bearish. Pretty bearish. No entries. Untapped 4-hour. Okay. This is the draw. Let's untapped 4-hour gap. Oh yeah. Short that. Short that shit. Why are they limits? Why are they limits? I need market orders. Yeah. One freaking candle TP. I'm going to call it there. That's a pretty good session. Let us check the analytics on this. YouTube. Not edit. Analytics. All right. That is pretty good. We had a 85% win rate, a 0.9 R, so pretty much a 1-to-1 R. The reason it's only 0.9 is because there were some trades you saw where I trailed stop loss that wasn't fully R1R. So overall, pretty satisfied. 8 trades taken, 85% win rate. So yeah, that is the session analytics. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys found some information and some value in this video. If you guys want to personally work with me one-on-one, the link's in the description. If you want to join my free community, it's in the description as well. So other than that, guys, I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.